Right now is one of the best possible times for you to start setting up an extra income stream for yourself that could eventually replace your 9 to 5. And today I want to talk about exactly how you can do that by mastering one of 3 of the high income skills that I mentioned in today's video. I realize that there's an abundance of fast make money online methods all over the internet that definitely do work, but to be honest, they don't have much longevity and they aren't very scalable. So in today's video, we're going to get into 3 high income skills that can very easily replace your entire 9 to 5 and give you that financial freedom that you've been looking for. These skills can make you and your business a lot of money, or you can go off and use them to help other businesses make money where they would then pay you a lot of money regardless. Either way, it's going to open a lot of doors of opportunities for you if you develop these skills. So without wasting any time, let's get into the first skill, which is video editing. Video editing is a crazy high demand skill in 2023 because there's so many people tapping into the power of videos. There's way more YouTubers, more TikTokers, and more businesses that are actually using videos to help their marketing campaigns. Now the only catch here is that there are a ton of video editors, which means that you'll have a lot more competition. More and more people are tapping into this crazy money making opportunity. However, most of these editors are not actually good, like at all. A lot of these editors don't even put any effort into further developing their skills. So there's an insane amount of terrible editors out there that literally just have basic level skills. The good news for you is that if you invest some time to master video editing and go above and beyond to build your portfolio, you'll overtake a good 90% of your competitors within 2 to 3 months, even if you're a newbie. To get good at editing, you need to of course learn the softwares, which to be fair is the easy part, but then you also need to invest some time into understanding what actually makes people want to keep watching videos so you can improve your editing style. Putting together a well-edited video is an actual form of art and it's in super high demand. By the way, I'm going to be putting a link below for my Notion document where I drop all of the resources and tools that you might need to learn all of these high income skills. So it's going to be packed with free and paid courses, YouTube tutorials, and some extra tools and discounts that could definitely help you out. But yeah, video editing is a great skill to have under your belt and it can open doors to collaborations with your favorite influencers or content creators. Overall, it's an amazing skill that allows you to learn while you earn. Moving into method number 2, which is web design. Now this is another amazing skill to learn which has very high earning potential, and keep in mind when I first started dropshipping a few years ago, I actually took the time to master the basics, and I mean like the absolute basics of web design. So I created all of my own Shopify stores, and that experience gave me the confidence to offer Shopify store designing as a listing on Upwork. I would make hundreds, sometimes even thousands per completed order. It's crazy to think that I was making thousands with the absolute most basic knowledge of web design. So imagine how much you could be making from designing high quality websites from scratch, literally from the comfort of your own home. Learning web design can land you a lot of high paying gigs. If you do decide to become a freelancer, it can land you high paying jobs if you happen to prefer more security, and it can make you a lot of money and save you a lot of money if you decide that you want to start your own business and have your own website up and running that you can monetize. This skill is an absolute game changer, and I 1000% recommend that you invest some time into learning it because it's definitely worth it. And lastly, we have marketing and sales. Now this right here is a skill that I recommend everyone takes the time to master because this is a skill that I believe has the absolute biggest earning potential and can genuinely make you a millionaire, even a billionaire if you get really good at it. Knowing how to market and sell is the most powerful skill that you could possibly have because this skill applies to any and every business that you do. You have to sell some kind of product or service to make money. So even if you do decide to take up the video editing or the web design, you still have to market your services. No matter what, you can't get away from sales and marketing if you want to start an online business. This skill takes a lot more time and effort because there's so many different aspects to sales and marketing that you need to understand and learn to get really good at it. And a lot of the time this just comes from experience. You need to understand human psychology and what makes people want to buy, how to market according to different target audiences. Businesses will literally pay you millions if you become an expert at this, or even better, you can make billions if you become an expert and apply this to make your own business. Listen, the best way for you to make money with these high income skills as fast as possible is to combine the strengths and passions that you already have. You just need enough knowledge and the courage to actually get started. If you want to retire young and rich, then you need to put your foot on the gas and get this jumping ASAP. But yeah guys, that concludes my video. Again, go ahead and grab my free resources in the first link in my description to help you get started. If you have any questions at all, feel free to drop me a comment below. Best of luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.